really proud of myself. I think I've done like 3 videos this month so far. I'm coming to you all today, not to really talk about home stuff, but I really, I've been keeping up with this whole Luster's S-Curl, you know, activator for the natural hair. Like, I like what I've been seeing. And not only did I have to cop me one of these bad boys, I had to cop 2 of these bad boys. These things right here, do you see them? Apparently, beauty supply stores are essential in certain states, not all of them. Target was sold out, so I had to order from Luster's online. I tried to order from Amazon, and Amazon was playing with me. A lot of places were sold out. I guess because now everybody's like getting into it now. They're like, oh God, like we gotta just raise these prices. Like, we're gonna make these things more expensive than Lysol wipes. Okay, it was like impossible to find this. So, okay, Luster's, I'm gonna try this. I've seen amazing reviews. Each review for these were thebomb.com. Like, literally no complaints for 4C hair, which I have. So last night I, you know, washed my hair, shampooed, conditioned, you know, did like a leave-in as well. And so I ended up detangling it with a Denman brush, and I just, you know, plaited it, twisted it, just something to keep it separated. And lo and behold, today these came in the mail. I'm so excited. So after I take a shower, because I just worked out for the past 30 minutes, I was doing some resistance bands. Your girl, by the way, I lost about 11 pounds, let's see, within the past maybe like month and a half. I'm actually very excited. Slow and steady wins the race. I've adopted more of a plant-based diet. On the weekends, I might have a twinge of meat here and there, literally like a little bit. But other than that, it's mainly been plant-based throughout the week. So it's been really, really, really good. I've been so excited. So, so anyways, other than that, I can't wait to share how this about to go down. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we are back. I am about to detangle one of my braids here. This is Oyen Greg Juice. Oyen Handmade's Greg Juice. It's from Baltimore. They've been around for quite some time, I think since 2003. Love them. But yeah, I want to just showcase a video of me, you know, testing out this product that is supposed to have, you know, 4B, 4C curls popping. I have low porosity as well, so I just wanted to spruce it up. Right now I'm trying to show you guys like my hair texture, because a lot of people will look at people's hair in the comments and say, oh, you don't have, you know, type 4 hair. Okay, whatever. And don't worry, folks, everything that I'm using I'm going to list in my description box below. And I'm just spraying it down, trying to get it pretty damp here. Trying to make sure that it's completely wet. Now, when I took a shower again and I rinsed it off after I worked out, you know, my hair couldn't hold too much moisture. So I'm about to apply the S-Curl gel on my hair. It's kind of like falling out. Didn't want to hold it up too crazy. This is the wet line, the extreme wet line. It's like 10 hole here. Wet line, I've never used this before, so we're about to try it. Now I'm just, you know, detangling my ends a little bit, making sure it's soaked again, and just working the wet line through. Now I'm going to put the S-Curl in there. Here we go, here we go. I'm going to be straight up with y'all. It hasn't been since the Kinky Curly Custard and that leaves white stuff in my hair where I felt like my hair really stayed this curly. It hasn't been since then, which has been years, where I felt like I could perfect this wet look. Okay, y'all, this is crazy incredible for 4C hair. This is like monumental. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Sense. I'm trying to make sure I get near the root, because you know we don't want no problems. I would love it if you all could like and subscribe to my page, and if you'd like to see more tutorials on things, you know, it doesn't matter what it is, just let me know. Yes, please. You know, stop playing. This is literally Do y'all not see this? Wow, what the? Oh, and it's like, I think with the wet line, y'all, I might be putting in too much wet line, but with both products, because I'm just like, this is unbelievable. I can't believe this is my hair right now. Right now. Insane. Oh, I wish you guys could see this. I'm gonna have to do this another way so you guys can see. So I had to go through here and make sure that each curl was saturated and wet, because you know you can't trust 4B, 4C hair sometimes. Like, it'd be lying to you. Okay, so yes, the curls are popping. I kind of look low-key crazy, but if you're anything like me, you're going to have to pat dry your hair, because the amount of product I put in my hair, 4C textures understand. They know my pain. You just could never tell sometimes. Shake that hair out. You got to make sure that, you know, your hair gets that body it needs. I found that very helpful because I like a nice, like, fro, full fro. Y'all need better light, don't you? They had a nerve to say follow up with pink lotion. I think not. I ain't doing that. You guys, this, I can't explain. Y'all about to be blown away. This don't make no sense. Do you see these girls? Do y'all really see what's happening here? Look, what do y'all see? Do you see these curls bouncing and behaving? Wow. But the problem is I gotta let it dry. How am I supposed to go to sleep? How am I supposed to go to sleep like this? Oh Lord, Lord have mercy. It's not dripping. I'll give you that. It's not dripping. Is it tacky? I think it's only tacky when you use, sorry for my lip smacking, I can't help it. It's only tacky when you use like the gel. I use the wet line gel. I wonder what it would be like with Eco Style. This is cool. This is really cool. I was not expecting my hair to coil up like this. But Lester's is only, well, on their website it was like $4.98 or something like that. So it was like $4.98 plus shipping, which is like $10. So I had to buy two just in case. I bought two. Like this bounce action though. Look at this bounce action. You see this? It's shaking. The pulling down of it. I don't know what it looks like. So if it look crazy, I will laugh. What? This is amazing. Insane. I don't really care too much about the style. I kind of like wearing my hair crazy curly. So this is cool. I will do this again. This is great. Okay, bye y'all. This is day 2. I slept with a satin bonnet. Let me show you. This bonnet is from Ziza Boutique. It is thebomb.com. I can add the link down below, but what's so special about this bonnet is that not only is it stylish and it has the satin in there, but it also has another like tying fabric that can make the illusion of it being an actual head wrap. So no longer, you know, do you need to get played by going outside wearing your bonnet. You can just wrap it up real cute, and you could go out, do your thing, chill and parlay with your girlfriends, you know. But yeah, so really quickly, I just wanted to go over you know, day 2 of this hair. This lens glare is probably throwing you guys off because it's throwing me off. But anyways, let me show you guys what's going on here. Look at this. Do you guys see? Oh, y'all see this definition? Bananas. It's still there. It's completely dry. However, it's still tacky. Like, look at, get into it. Yep. It's a little tacky. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I can, and I think it's because I just put too much wet line on it. I think that's really what it is. I'm a little heavy-handed when it comes to products, and I mean, I'm sorry, I'm 4C. Like, that's just what we do. It's, you know, we don't really believe everything these labels say. Use a small amount, a dime size. What's a dime size going to do for my hair? It's not going to do anything. So, yeah, I wanted to show you day 2 of what it looks like. I don't know what day 3 will look like. I'll see how long I can, like, you know, stretch this out for. But I think the key to it is wearing that satin bonnet. I did not do a pineapple. I told y'all I'm hair illiterate. I'm afraid to do a pineapple. I could try it with something, I don't know, but I don't mind the shape. I don't mind, like, the froey shape. So yeah, let's see what happens.